Hi, I'm Nathan Tracy, a technologist on TE Connectivity's System Architecture team, as well as the OIF's Market Awareness and Education Co-Chair. Happy New Year and welcome to 2023. I'd like to discuss the OIF's top 3 predictions for 2023. Prediction number 1, the industry will see broad adoption and deployment of OIF's 400ZR and ZR extensions in data center interconnect and metro applications by communication service providers, not just hyperscalers, because it enables simplified and more efficient network architectures. And also relevant to prediction number 1, we will continue to see development and definition of the OIF's 800ZR and 800LR coherent specifications throughout 2023. Prediction number 2. This will be the year of leveraging CMIS, which stands for Common Management Interface Specification, to complement trend number 1, 400ZR adoption. This is because CMIS helps manage multi-vendor 400ZR and ZR plus pluggables in multi-layer networks. But also we predict that CMIS will be equally as impactful to client optics and copper interfaces as well. In addition, we anticipate that the OIF will continue to be adding additional capabilities and functionality to CMIS throughout 2023. And finally, prediction number 3. The serious work of determining 200 gigabit per second electrical interface specifications, abilities, and realities, as well as alternate architectures such as co-packaging, will accelerate in 2023. This will be partially due to the availability of measured prototype 200 gig silicon connector cage and optics data. Additionally, we anticipate that CMIS is going to be critical to enable additional sophistication and network control and intelligence for 200 gig, as well as to make sure that we deliver interoperable solutions. So here in this prediction, it's not just about 200 gig, but it's about the combination of 200 gig and CMIS working together that are a noteworthy prediction for the industry. A significant driver of the timeline for 200 gig specification development is not only traditional network applications as we've seen in the past, but in this case, it's also going to be significantly driven by network requirements that are supporting artificial intelligence. The OIF's diverse membership, representing the entire ecosystem from electrical and optical components to test and measurement equipment to equipment providers and developers, as well as network operators, both hyperscalers as well as communication service providers, are supporting the ongoing OIF projects that are going to enable all of these predictions to be met in 2023.